Ali said, what are the permissible jokes in Islam? And what must one avoid when making jokes? Wallahi, Ali, I'm afraid I'm the last one to talk about this subject, because I feel that I would be saying what I do not do. I joke a lot, and I'm not proud of this, but this is who I am. However, there are boundaries when it comes to joking. You are not allowed to lie. The Prophet said, ﷺ, I am a guarantor of a house in the middle of Jannah for those who abandon lying even while joking. And the Prophet said, ﷺ, also, woe to those who address people to make them laugh. Woe to them, woe to them. Woe to those who address people and lie to make them laugh. So stand-up comedians, may Allah Azza wa Jal be with you. You guys are in deep trouble, because you are gaining your income from totally haram. There's no way, nothing comes out of your mouths except which is haram, and at least a minor, if not a major sin. And joking must not be by terrifying or terrorizing others. So I cannot joke by just taking your wallet while you're not watching, or scare you, or prank you, as so many people do. This is not permissible. I must not use vulgar language. I must not backbite. I must not imitate a group of people, or make fun of an ethnicity or a race. A Polish man did so-and-so, Irish did so-and-so, Egyptians did so-and-so, Pakistanis did so-and-so, and we make fun of them and laugh. All of this is haram. And as I said, this requires a full-fledged lecture on the do's and the don'ts in joking, but I hope this answers your question roughly, and Allah